welcome to the weather update. It's 10 o'clock, and you can see no more heat in the east, but you can see there is heat in the Pacific Northwest as well as in the Midwest, and flood warnings and advisories. Around St. Louis, they got pounded with that. And it looks like we got green in Arizona, flood watch as well, so yeah, they're getting their monsoons as well. But let's talk about what's going on outside right now today. Much more comfortable day today. Still a little humidity around, moderate levels of humidity. Looking right now, we have dew points, if they would show up here. We have dew points generally in the mid-60s, so let's take a look and see what the day was like at Islip. Right now, it's 72, with the dew point is 66. Man, I wish it was that cool in the alley. It's still near 80. And let's see. So, you can see here, temperatures only got up at the low 80s. A lot of clouds around today. It's saying clear, but we had a lot of high clouds filtering the sun, a pretty thick amount of cirrus. Now, early in the morning, wow, the dew points were nice and low, but they did start rising as the winds went more to the onshore direction at Islip, as you can see there. So let's go take a look at our high temperatures today. And get through high temperatures here. It's out a little bit. See an air quality alert for Connecticut. So you see generally low 80s across the area. And around 80, yeah, pretty much everywhere, even New Jersey. If we do look at precipitation, there was some rainfall in Jersey. We're going to look at that as well because they had rain, actually, from the stall frontal boundary. That was kind of, yeah, so they had a little bit of rain. Not a whole lot, you could see. Not really a whole lot at all. But it was a little bit here and there, a little light rain here and there. Looking at the satellite, kind of tells the story with this front that's kind of stalled off to the south here. Never really gotten into the clear skies. It's trying to make its way in. But you can see this front is just kind of hung up. It's not going anywhere. You clearly see that. And you can see all the convection, too, on the south end of that front as well. So, yeah, this front is just sitting here, which is a problem. That's why you're getting all the flooding, because this front is stretching all the way across the country. So you're getting these flood advisories where the front is just sitting, storms popping in the same spot over and over and over again. So we'll show you what the sky looked like today. Kind of just stayed in the area. No, I was not on the South Shore today. Just stayed in the general area here. You can see we had these cirrus clouds in the sky here. They were pretty, but we didn't really have a nice clear sky. You can see we did have some nice, pretty skies there. Cirrus clouds, and then a beautiful sunset. Some really nice colors there in the sunset. Very nice. You can see they're really quite pretty skies there for sunset. Very nice. So there's one more look at it there at the lake in Herrick's. But anyway, let's go to the models right now, and we're going to go and just take a look and see how things are going to go through the weekend. And as you'll see here, we have to deal with this front still sitting off to the south tomorrow, so I don't think we're going to clear out. Then we have more moisture building in for Thursday. That's going to bring a return in the humidity. And then we try to get this high pressure built in for the weekend here. We should actually give us a nice weekend. And hopefully we'll actually get some clear skies for once. We've been dealing with a lot of clouds lately. You know, that's why on Saturday I kind of went and enjoyed, because we did have a nice clear sky that day, and even though it was a little hot, I had to take advantage of it. So let's go look at the HRRR model with the 0Z run here. So again, you'll see that front just parked off to the south there. They do get a break in Jersey, so they won't be getting as much rain, but here comes the next wave of moisture, and this is going to bring the humidity back up again as we start getting that return flow. And that'll bring chances of showers and thunderstorms into our area later on Thursday. Looking at the dew points and wind flow, you'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start off with the northwest wind again, so similar to today. Might have drier air in the morning, and then the humidity comes up later on in the evening and the afternoon with the onshore flow. And then we have a southwesterly wind for Thursday, and this could be the next brutal day here. So we have a southwesterly wind turning a little more to the south in the afternoon, but I still think we're going to see above 90 again in a lot of areas again with that south wind. And it's going to be pretty damn humid as well as a result. So when we look at the temperatures here, tomorrow we will have temperatures in the mid-80s. So it'll be a little warmer because tomorrow we'll have more sun, so I'll probably expect mid-80s. And then dropping back at night into the 70s, except in the alley, and then here's Thursday. It's really, if for some reason it wants to have most of the heat in Jersey, they'll definitely deal with mid to upper 90s, but I think some of those 90s are going to spread into the western part of the line. I think we'll definitely see 90s in Mineola on Thursday for sure. Now we go into Friday here. Now we switched it over to the GFS. So on Friday, you'll see here comes this front here. So again, southwesterly winds, and with that southwesterly wind, that to me tells me it's going to be hot. I'm pretty sure the GFS jacked up the high temperatures for Friday as well as a result. So here comes the drier air coming in, and finally it gets in here on Saturday, and it's going to be very nice, much more comfortable. Dew points in the 50s, maybe even some 40s. Nice dry low dew points. Sunday we stay in the low dew points as well, so it should be pretty nice as well. So it should be a nice weekend, comfortable for a change. So let's go look at the temperatures here on GFS. Let's see how Friday looks. For some reason, it just doesn't have it that hot on Friday. Oddly enough, I think it's underdoing it. I think it could be hotter. I guess it's thinking there's going to be a lot of clouds around, but I think we could see 90 on Friday. But then by the weekend, we're going to have mid-80s again. So mid-80s for the weekend, and maybe a little tad warmer on Sunday, maybe close to 90 if you're in New Jersey. That takes us through the rest of July. All right. So let's now go and look at the skies. And I'll go to the RGEM for that. Obviously, I don't think we're going to clear it out tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. So here's tomorrow, and you'll see we have this cirrus around. It's going to kind of be brushing areas. So the similar look to the sky, but maybe a little more sun tomorrow without as much filtering from the cirrus. But I still don't think we're going to have a clear sky at all. And then for Thursday, we'll have probably plenty of clouds throughout the day, and then maybe a little less clouds toward the later part of the day. But again, you have to watch out for that threat of showers and thunderstorms. Then Friday, it seems like it has more clouds over us, so I guess that's why. I mean, you can see it looks like it's finally going to try to push this junk offshore, and then we can finally have a clear weekend. I really hope so. It's been a while since we've had some nice, clear, sunny weather that with dew points that are comfortable. It's ridiculous. It's so hard to get. But that's going to be it for this weather update. Have a good night. Thank you for watching.